Right guys, so a very warm welcome to my channel once again. This is the first vlog of 2021, so a very happy new year to all of you guys. So today, after a lot of requests that I've got, we have finally made a saddle stay which will fit the stock Xpulse with the stock exhaust. So here we are, we will start the video. You can see that the bike is all unseated and unwrapped. So just enjoy the video, and again a very warm welcome to my channel. I trust me, this has been a very tough journey for me because I just can't make out time for the channel, but going forward every week there would be something or the other in my channel. Stay tuned. Right guys, so here you can see that we have made the top rack and the saddle stays both. I would reiterate this again, this will fit the stock with the stock exhaust, so no worries about it. And the best part about our saddle stays are that it is the same size on both the sides, so you wouldn't have that problem. Now there is one more thing that we have tried to incorporate here is this. So this is a bottle holder, you can say. This goes on the left side of the bike, and why this is the best part is because you can on long tours sometimes we need petrol, we need to carry petrol in different jerry cans and stuff like that. You can easily carry a 2-liter bottle in it. So and this won't interfere with your saddle stays. That's also another part. Now coming to the top rack, I have actually got a lot of queries on the top rack, and this, here we go, we have made one top rack. Of course I don't use it on my bike because I normally tour single and I do not need to carry that much amount of luggage, but whoever wants to carry it, we have also put this circular threads inside so that most of the top boxes will fit here with different screws. So that's that. It's made extremely sturdy, you can see. So that's another good thing. You can actually put in a lot of load in it. So that's that. Now let's get on to the mounting onto the bike. Thanks. So let's talk about the pricing and availability right now. Due to these times and me being a little bespoke and not getting into a business venture, I think it will take some time for us to deliver you the products if you order. So it will take about 20 days to reach you. That's the minimum we would take, but quality wise there won't be any compromise. For the pricing, we have kept the pricing of the saddle stays at 3,800 rupees and the top rack at 2,000 rupees. Please bear in mind that the shipping cost is extra that you have to bear, and we would supply all the nuts and bolts that will go along with both these fitments. So that's that. And coming to the fitment, I think I will make a different video just after this video, which will show how to fit the saddle stays. It's pretty simple, it's very straightforward. So both the top rack and the saddle stays would be there in the next video, wherein I will be showing how to fit that. So that's on fitting. The last thing is I'm getting a lot of requests for an exhaust sound of the Xpulse with the KTM exhaust that I've put in. For that exhaust sound, I would be posting another video of the exhaust on YouTube. Right now the stock exhaust had been swapped in order to make this saddle stay. So the moment the KTM exhaust is back onto the Xpulse, I would put in an exhaust signature. Right, so in another way you can see now we have put this guy on the top rack just to show the strength of the top rack. Bhai, tera weight kitna hai? This guy is 60 kilos, so no problems there. सामने आजा, सीट पे आजा. So now guys, you can also see that it is good enough for 2-up touring. as we were saying, that it will be good up for two-up pruning. There are no fouling on the legs of the pillion with the saddle stays. I hope my first video of 2021 has been extremely helpful to you, all the Xpulse owners. Until next time, I will bring something really interesting, hopefully. Stay tuned into the channel, and please do subscribe and like if you really like this video. Thank you.